In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pivot points, high-low indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Before we jump in, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The steps will be exactly the same. Let's start on your main chart screen. At the top of the chart, you'll see a toolbar with several icons. Look for the one labeled Indicators. It usually sits near the middle of that top bar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add almost any tool to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a menu on the left side. One of the main sections is called Technical. Click on Technical. This section focuses on indicators that are commonly used for technical analysis, and it helps narrow down the list so you can find what you need faster. Now that you're in the technical section, move up to the search bar at the top of the indicators window. Click inside that search bar and start typing pivot points high-low. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see an indicator appear in the list with that exact name or very close to it. Once you spot pivot points high-low in the results, click on it one time. As soon as you do, the indicators window can be closed and you'll see the pivot points plotted directly on your chart. These markers will highlight recent swing highs and swing lows, which can help you quickly spot potential areas of support, resistance, and possible reversal points in the price action. From here, you can customize the indicator if you want. On TradingView, you can usually hover over the indicator name at the top left of the chart and click the settings icon. In that settings menu, you can adjust things like the number of bars used to define a high or a low, as well as colors and line styles. Feel free to experiment until the pivots are easy for you to read at a glance. If you haven't signed up for our TradingView Pro yet, and you want access to more indicators and features, check out the sign up link in the video description. Once you're set up, follow these same steps and you'll have the pivot points high-low indicator on your charts in just a few clicks.